Soft emotional music plus peaceful pond visuals. Narrator. In a quiet little pond, a loving duck family lived happily. But today, something unexpected is about to change. Everything. Mama Duck with ducklings playing. Narrator. Mama Duck and her adorable blue ducklings were enjoying a beautiful day. They laughed, swam, and stayed close together, protecting something very special. Their precious egg. Sneaky monkey appears in trees. Narrator, slightly tense tone, but high above, hidden in the trees. A mischievous monkey was watching, curious, playful, and a little too naughty. Monkey sneaks down and grabs the egg. Narrator, in a flash, the egg was gone. Mama Duck panicking, ducklings crying. Narrator, Mama Duck was heartbroken. The ducklings didn't understand. Where did their little sibling go? Sad music, emotional close-ups. Narrator, but Mama Duck knew one thing. She would never give up. They travel through forest, meet animals. Narrator, the family began their journey, searching everywhere. They asked the wise turtle. They checked near the river. They even followed strange footprints deep into the forest. Spot monkey playing with egg. Narrator, exciting tone. And then they saw him. The monkey. Fast chase sequence. Narrator, through trees, over rocks, and across the river. The chase was on. Monkey slips, / realizes mistake. Narrator,